Hi sewing lovers. Let's convert a skirt into beautiful dress. In this sewing tutorial you will also learn how to make heart-shaped applique. So don't skip the video. Very easy sewing project, even beginners can follow easily. Don't forget to subscribe. I am also using an old t-shirt for the bodice of the dress. And just use any old piece of fabric for applique. I used fusible interfacing for the applique to make it more stabilized, but if don't have you can use piece of paper instead of interfacing. For applique, first make a template of your desired shape. I am making here a heart shape. Cut it on any card sheet and then trace it on fabric. Also cut the interfacing of same shape and stick it on bodice. Paste and then stitch with zigzag stitch.
Let me know in comments from which part of the world you are watching my video. Currently I am living in United Arab Emirates. Visit my channel to watch more sewing and pattern making tutorials for beginners and advanced levels. Hope you will like. Sharing is caring. Share so others can learn too. Hope you found these tips and tricks helpful. Let me know in comments if you want to learn more tips and tricks. Or anything you want to learn, feel free to ask. I would be happy to help you.
If you are absolute beginner, please check my free dress making course, specially designed for beginners, and learn step-by-step dress making. From body measurements to pattern making, cutting and stitching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial. Let me introduce myself. I am your sewing instructor Sarah. I have 3 years of diploma and 11 plus years of teaching experience of these skill. Pattern making and sewing is something that I am teaching to my students from different nationalities. I believe that everyone can learn to sew. That's why I always provide one-to-one lessons, so one can learn on their own pace. If you are interested in Zoom classes, you can contact me for more details. Please share this video. Now I am attaching piece of fabric with sleeves to increase the sleeve length. After attaching sleeves, just stitch the fitting lines. I also adjust waistline width because t-shirt waist was obviously loose, but for dress we need fitted. After completing the bodice part, next is to attach skirt. I attached skirt with elastic so that waistline will give a perfect fitted shape, but if you want you can remove skirt elastic first and then attach with bodice. Please hit like button. Sewing, as we all know, can be challenging even for experienced sewists. That's why I've compiled a list of my top recommendations to help both beginners and professionals make the most of this endlessly rewarding skill. Take a look and discover. Hope you like this easy tutorial. For more sewing and pattern making tutorials, please subscribe and like. Now let's see the final look of our today's sewing project. If any doubt, feel free to ask in comments.